I have a very rich relationship with the Future Foundation. I used to be at the middle school, which is in the same feeder pattern, and they initially approached me in reference to their after-school programs and relevant offerings. And the minute they came into my office, I saw it as a great partnership to help build up all of our kids in the East Point community. So we jumped right on building that relationship and letting our kids benefit as a result. Of course, now at the high school level, the major program that has come our way is Real Talk ATL. Our kids are faced with so many difficult decisions in a world that is just eating at them every single day. And one of the things I always say to my kids every single day is to make great decisions and benefit from the results. And in doing so, I'm always looking for somebody or some program to come in and help us do what we all want to do for our kids, and that is make them good decision makers. The beautiful thing about Real Talk ATL is that it is composed, number one, of just some great people. I just love every single adult who has come into my building and invested time in our kids. Secondarily, the curriculum is focused on good decision making, helping kids understand more about themselves, making good career paths, just anything and everything that encompasses being a teenager. Real Talk ATL has devised a way to make that the focus of conversation and just good thinking that's coming out of my kids. It is just what the doctor ordered as it relates to everything we're striving to do as a high school. Of course, we have our curriculum that we have to do. We struggle with those opportunities to bring real life matters into the classroom. And this is just a tremendous benefit to the school and to each and every student who's been a part of the program. By having Real Talk, to have these conversations, somebody who is not giving them a grade, not in shirt and tie, but just coming in to have just a on your level conversation. It just calls kids to start to think a little bit more, and in doing so, now have a better idea of what they want to be and who they are.